Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom barley soup. First, gather your ingredients, including about 8 ounces of fresh mushrooms, 1 cup of pearl barley, and 6 cups of vegetable broth. Next, chop your aromatic vegetables such as 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Remember to rinse your pearl barley well before you begin cooking to remove any excess starch. Now, in a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Then, add your sliced mushrooms and cook until they release their liquid and brown slightly. Finally, pour in the vegetable broth, add the rinsed barley, and season with salt and black pepper. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for approximately 45 minutes. The barley should be tender and the soup slightly thickened. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a pinch of dried thyme or a bay leaf during simmering. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh, chopped parsley before serving. This delicious mushroom barley soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and it also freezes beautifully for quick future meals. For more great recipes and cooking tips, check out the links in the description below, along with other deals. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.